Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a traditional healthy and oil-free evening snack which can be enjoyed both by adults and kids. In Malayalam we call this as elada, as it is steamed in banana leaf. However, you can make this with turmeric leaves instead. It's easy to make and a perfect healthy and filling evening snack, especially as an after school snack for kids or as an office snack for adults. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I have kept some water to boil, and into a bowl add in 1 cup roasted rice flour. The rice I'm using is single polished white rice, meaning the white rice I'm using has bran. So it has more fiber and has a brownish color. So what I had done is I had washed and rinsed the rice and then kept it on a strainer, and then I gave it to the local mill to get it powdered. And here in Kerala, in the mill itself, they will roast the rice flour, and this rice flour will keep good for many months. Now if you are a regular on my channel, then you may have seen me using this rice in my rice based recipes like healthy dosha batter, rice roti, neyi idiyappam, etc. All the links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. Now if you don't have the rice flour which I am using, you can use ordinary white rice flour. Now add in 1/3 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and mix well. Measure 1 cup of hot boiling water and pour it into the roasted rice flour. Mix with a wooden spoon and then measure and add another half cup of water and mix well. Once it is nicely mixed, allow it to cool down. In another bowl, add in 1.5 cups fresh grated coconut. Add in 1/4 cup pure sugarcane jaggery. Now I buy the sugarcane jaggery locally. It's organic and does not contain any impurities and comes in this melted form. I have already posted pictures of this jaggery on my Insta stories and also on the YouTube community tab. I will update the community tab link below just in case you wanted to know more. Now if you are using regular jaggery, you may need to melt it and then strain it. Now crush 5 to 6 cardamom and add it into the coconut jaggery mix. Now mix it well and keep it aside. Knead the rice flour to a soft dough with wet hands. Heat a steamer to cook the adas. Now wet your hand and then take a handful of the rice dough and place it onto the banana leaf. Again wet your hand and flatten and press the rice dough onto the leaf. Place 1 heaped tablespoon of the coconut jaggery mix and fold the leaf into half as I am showing in the video. Lightly flatten it and then keep it on the steamer. Repeat the same process with the rest of the rice dough and coconut mix. Make sure you wet your hands to prevent from sticking. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low flame or until it is cooked. And once steamed and cooked, serve the ada and enjoy this healthy and traditional evening snack. So guys, do try this traditional and healthy recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get updated on your phone when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.